Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my friend Jack here are going to be showing you guys how to make $2,000 super easily. So, let's get to it. So, what you guys are going to need for this, I recommend a flashlight and some sort of weapon. You could pick any of these, any weapon that you would like. I'm going to use a revolver and I'm going to use a heart gun. So, let's go. And to get this, you need to go to Forest because it's only in Forest. So you're going to go in. You're going to go all the way down here and use your heart gun to go all the way right here. Then once you go all the way right here, you're going to hop on these fans. Then you're going to go to the red. Then bring your gun out. Then you want to do that. You can get rid of your heart gun. Take this. And a little sign of victory. So now we're going to go back onto the fan. And we're just going to go straight this way. And this way is exactly where the exit is. So now we're going to climb up. And then we're going to go back here. And now this egg right here that you'll get from Forest will cost $2,000. And that's how you guys get $2,000 super easy, super quick, and super fast in Animal Company. And I hope y'all like this video. So like and subscribe for more banger videos. And also subscribe to Heal Jack. Bye!